What is up, everyone? I have purchased this property right here. This is my new flip property. Well, I'm about to close in about 20 minutes here, but the title company is only like less than 10 minutes away, so I should be good filming this video. But just want to tell you all a little bit about this property. I actually got this property from a contractor. He knew I was looking for houses, my next project to flip, and even though I marketed and spent some good money sending out postcards, I do have a few leads that I'm following up with, but this property once again came from just people I knew, right? And the last house came from my job, just connection. So network is so important. This property is your classic split level home built in the 70s. Like, you walk in, there's going to be stairs going up, stairs going down. You all know that style. I'm going to show you all inside the property, but this property is filled with trash. It smells. There is a mice, rodent infestation on this property. Like, the toilets were backed up. You can see kind of stains on the wall in different places. I just don't get how people can live like that. But it's a good property, right? The bones are good. The roof is good. Plumbing, electrical. The structure, foundation is great. You just need to clean it up, make it look really nice, disinfect, replace some insulation, make sure the rodents don't go back in or anything like that. And so this is definitely a bigger project for me. I'll get more into the details with the numbers probably in a later video. But right now I'm purchasing this for around $190,000. I don't know yet about the rehab, but it's going to be larger than my last house because obviously this is almost twice as big, probably twice as big as my last house. So my rehab budget is definitely more. I'm thinking upwards to 70 to 80, but we'll see. And then the ARV could be anywhere between, so my margins are definitely lower on this one, but we'll see what I could sell it for. I'm definitely hoping for 350 or more, but I already have dumpsters here, so we can start taking out the trash. We have 3 30-yard dumpsters. Got that delivered today. And so we're going to have people demolish and take out like the trash and the cabinets and old stuff that we're not going to use for this flip. And so we're starting right away. And that's what you're supposed to do in your flips. Once you get it under contract, once you're about to close, on the same day, I already have the dumpsters. We're about to start in about 2 days demolishing the property. And if you all have any questions about flipping properties and things of that nature, please let me know. This is actually my second full flip where I'm actually renovating the property. I have done properties, I wholesaled properties, I still wholesale. I did properties where I just cleaned it out and put it back on the market. My last property, that was the first one I actually renovated, hired a contractor, working with a contractor again. I'm actually might be working with an interior designer because this property, it's not like your classic split level look. And so I don't know how to paint it. Let me know down below. Like, would you paint the red brick or would you just clean it and paint the top vinyl? Or would you just paint the whole thing, including the red brick? And what colors would you use for a property like this? Let me know down below. I'm thinking of honestly just doing it all like off-white on the brick and on the vinyl, or just making the vinyl like a darker color, maybe like a navy, and just pressure washing the red brick, and you have that red blue contrast. So different options. And then the layout with the kitchen is it's a little bit funky, so we have to change it up. That's why I had an interior designer come here yesterday, and she kind of gave me her thoughts. I'm still waiting for her to give me a quote, but let's get inside actually, and I'll show you all the property. All right, so there's definitely needs to be a ton of landscape, cleaning up landscape, but the landscaping is actually not bad. It looks bad, but you just gotta mow the lawn, take out some weeds, trim the bushes. It's not that bad. But I am wearing a mask. I need my mask because this is serious. So I have my mask right here. All right, I got 10 minutes to film this video. All right, here we go. Split level. Oh my goodness, the smell is horrendous. I don't know, first time it wasn't that bad, but now it just really smells super bad. like animals, like it's just bad. All right, so this is the living room. So we're going to scrape the popcorn ceiling, of course. New flooring, new paint, new windows. It needs all new windows. You know, so we're going to do the white double pane vinyl windows. This is the dining room. And so there is a wall in between the dining room and kitchen. So we're thinking about maybe widening it, maybe not taking it completely down. Oh my goodness, the smell is so bad here. So there is a deck back there that we're going to refurbish. This is the kitchen, y'all. And this is the layout of the kitchen. I think the electric is off now. But as you see, the sink is here. The sink needs to go right there. We're going to close that window a little bit more, make a smaller window, so the window could go right above the sink. And then we're going to put cabinets against the new wall, cabinets against this wall. My interior designer was thinking about keeping this wall here and just putting the refrigerator against this wall, taking on all these cabinets and just opening up this a little bit more. Because these are load-bearing walls, so it supports the structure. And so maybe if we can just open it up a little bit more, but not completely take it down, it won't be that extensive. All right, so the other side of the split level, we have our bathroom. So the lights are now off, so I had to turn that back on. I talked to the electric company, so I still need to get that done. But you can see, that's disgusting. I saw some dead mice around here last time. So that's one bedroom. That's another bedroom. There's a bathroom in there that's absolutely trash, and like there's dookie stains everywhere. Bedroom, bedroom, another bedroom. And we still haven't gotten the attic, honestly. Hopefully scraping the wall will help the smell too. Let me just go out here for you all. See all that trash they left here? It's like, why do people do stuff like that, you know? So we think we could keep the deck, just resand it, restain it, you know, put some more support beams around it. Should be good. But it's a nice backyard, honestly. Nice backyard, nice area. Make sure the mice scurry away if there's any mice still here. But honestly, I haven't seen the mice, but knock on wood. Here's the garage. A nice big 2-car garage. That's actually really good. We gotta replace the water heater. Right here, we have the laundry and like a half bath that we're going to make into a full bath, a simple full bath here along this wall, and keep the laundry right there. We may not even have to close in this wall, just keep the laundry in there and just have a bathroom in there with laundry there. And this is like the other basement family room area. You know, stripping, we may just paint the paneling or we may strip it completely. But this is the basement, y'all. All right, y'all, that's the property. Honestly, my second time going on in there is actually worse. I don't know, the first time I was just excited to see a property and I just walked in there. I didn't mind the smell, but now going in there a second time and just realizing why I was so congested over the past 2 weeks, 2.5-ish weeks, maybe it was because of this house. I'm not entirely sure, I can't blame it, but like the smell the second time just smells so much worse. And honestly, I don't have to be back in here until it's like halfway done. So that's pretty good. Because I could do a lot of things through just text and email. But I just wanted to walk through it a final time before closing and take a look at it. So the AC is actually good. They put in an AC back in 2019, so it's only 5 years old. So we're going to keep the AC. It does look like everything is working fine, and hopefully we can get a good price for this property. I'll keep you all updated. We're hoping that we could sell for at least $350 with lending costs, title fees, commission for my realtor. You know, I'm definitely making less than what I did on my last project, but hopefully if I can get at least 350, if I would be more conservative, it'd probably be like 330-ish, 340-ish. But I think if we make it nice, it could sell easily over 350. I would say closer to like 375. But those are high hopes. I like to stay conservative when I'm projecting and comping for properties. But I just wanted to show you all this property, keep you all in the loop of things, what I'm doing in the real estate business. If you all have any questions, please let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.